one of these. Now that's actually 3 times the size of a Ferrari 360, which as you know is a very fast vehicle. Now each tyre alone is worth £1,800. The body is worth about £9,000. The rest of it is worth crazy money, so these are very expensive vehicles and very dangerous vehicles. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please make sure you stay behind those barriers at all times. It's just about to get dangerous, and tag us on any pictures at facebook.com/Extreme Events Europe. Now I'm going to let you listen to the sound of these engines for just a few moments because they sound beautiful, even though they are very, very noisy. So in Green Extreme we got Glenn, and in Little Devil we got Marky. And it's time to get this party started. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, do you want to see these monster trucks do some damage? Yeah! Right. This is where you really want to get your cameras out, ladies and gentlemen. It's about to get serious. Now, very noisy. Can you guys see alright? Can you see alright? Yeah? Good. I don't want anybody to miss this, you see. Right, so it's time to get rocking and rolling. And it looks like Glenn is just getting a feel for those monster trucks. Now usually we only have cars in there, but we put a few people carriers in there as well. I don't know how this is going to go. I might have to close my eyes, but I'm sure it will be interesting. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready for some smashing and some bashing? Right, here we go. First crush of the Extreme Stunt Show live this evening in OBAN. I hope you're ready. And as always, on the count of 3, make some noise. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was a little bit scary. Put your hands together, everybody! Wow, that was fun. Wow, that was crazy. So we're just going to get Big P to do a few safety checks on Green Extreme. Don't forget facebook.com/Extreme Events Europe, twitter.com/Extreme Events EU. This has been one of my favourite shows this year so far. What a lovely crowd you guys are. It is time for round 2. Right, here we go. Round 2, everybody. Get ready to make some noise. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Now that is what I'm talking about here. This is the Extreme Stunt Show Live. Make some noise! Right, so that was Green Extreme's first crash and first smash. And now it's time for Little Devil and Mad Marky to come and do carnage on these vehicles. Right, so Marky just needs a little taster of these cars. Right, so you're gonna back it up. And it looks like Marky is ready to rumble. And it looks like Little Devil is ready to cause some carnage. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? Right, here we go. It's time. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, put your hands together for Little Devil and Mad Marky, please. Right, so that was Marky and Little Devil's first crush of the Extreme Stunt Show Live. It looks like everybody's been enjoying the show, but I reckon I've been enjoying it more than you guys. This has been one of my favourite shows so far. We would usually end the show there, but I reckon we can do some more damage. Is that what you guys want to see? Yes! Okay, here we go again. You asked for it, so you're going to get it, guys. Right, it looks like Marky has got that look in his eye here. Looks like he means business, and he's ready to cause some carnage. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Now that is what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together for Mad Marky, please! Now that was what I call a stunt show, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can we have the biggest round of applause yet for our stunt team, please? Wow, that was absolutely insane. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody here. You've been amazing. You made us feel really welcome. If you want an autograph, our guys will be signing autographs. Thank you and good night. It has been emotional, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.